50K large. My homie just beat the charge. My brother need a new job, so I be going so hard. I need my face on the black card.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am working strictly on core and cardio. I feel like in the past I tend to just do 3 or 4 workouts of core and be like, okay, I'm done, I'm good. And I didn't notice much results. And I started doing this more often and I really liked the results that it was giving me. So I started doing this more with my clients, and based on their body type, of course, I would make sure to customize it due to their body type. But I also noticed they started to enjoy the results too. So if you want to switch up your workout, come join me with this